Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in. It's Beer Monster o'clock. But on this one, I'm not going to be drinking any beer. I just got a box of beer through, like a subscription service, and I thought I'd show you what you get in it, just for anybody else who's thinking about perhaps signing up for their subscription, and that just to give you an idea of what you get, whether you think it's worth it. And I will be reviewing these beers that I unbox here within the next sort of week or two. You know, sort of trickle out one each day sort of thing. So obviously that's going to help you tell as well whether it's worth signing up. But you know, I just thought I'd show you what I get anyway. The company's called BEER52. Now this is their free trial that I'm doing, where I believe you get 8 craft beers and 2 snacks. The free trial, although they say it's free, it is technically free, but you do have to pay for the postage, which is £6.95. So it's less than £1 a beer in it. Really, it's not bad. After the free trial is over, it's £24 a month though, which seems quite a lot to me. You know, depending on the quality of the beer, really. You know, it's 8 beers, 2 snacks for £24 a month is a normal price. But you can cancel after your free trial if you're not sort of happy with what you've got and you don't want to continue the payments and whatnot. Yeah, £24 though. I think that makes it £3 a can roughly, and then you get your snacks as well. But I think they're only small cans. So personally, I'm not a fan of paying £3 for a little can of craft beer. But, you know, I thought I'd try them out. They might be amazing. And that just changes everything, doesn't it? Anyway, shut up, Adam. Let's see what we get in here, shall we? Oh, Christmas. All right, let's open it up. Beer number 1. Got Ravenhill Alpine Pilsner. It is 4.6% ABV. That one. Never seen it before. Do like a Pilsner. There you go, that's number 1. I'll tell you what I'll do is I will put this box to the side just so I can stack them up on the box. There we go, that's number 1. Beer number 2. Oh, we've got one from Vocation. A little liquid can. It is a Jump for Juice Tropical Yuzu Pal. 5.5% ABV. There we go. Should be good. Vocation are normally pretty good, aren't they? Right, the next one we have got, oh yeah, we've got a snack. We've got these Ushio crisps, sea salt and balsamic vinegar. I think I've actually tried them. They're alright, nothing special. What we got next? Right, let's get the other snack out of the way. Very tiny pack, this one. Howder Bombay Sweet Chili Ancient Grain Chips. Tiny little pack, but you know, if they're good, aren't they? 18 grams. Maybe I'll do a review of them as well for one of the beers. Next one, we have one from the North Brewing Company. There she is. It is their Pal Al Earthy Delights. 4.8% ABV, that one. Alright, what we got next? Next up is one from the Horsforth Brewery. That's my bag, baby. It is a double dry hopped IPA coming in at 6% ABV. That sounds pretty good as well. That's the strongest one so far. And then we have the Oss Brewery ETT Gold Rush West Coast Session Pal. West Coast Session Pal. 4.1% ABV. It's a little bit on the low side, isn't it? I was hoping there wasn't going to be too many low ABV beers. You can specify whether you want light, dark beers or a mix. I think I just went for the light beers. But I thought that would mean light in colour, not light in ABV. That one, no name or nothing on it, look. Just got some guy on a cliff or something. Oh yeah, it says Mile Maker Oat Pale Ale, 4.5% ABV. Can't see a brewery. Oh, brewed and canned for the Wild Bear Brewing Company. I thought they went out of business. Right, we should have 2 more in here. Up next, we got one from Magic Rock Brewery Quite a funky looking can on that one. It is a Botany Calist Gin and Tonic IPA. Oh, I don't like the sound of that one. Well, don't get me wrong, I don't mind a gin and tonic every now and again, but a gin and tonic IPA, I'm not sure about that one. 5% ABV. My mum might like that. She likes a gin and tonic. But yeah, it's fun about gin and tonic IPA. Well, pretty interesting if nothing else though. Next we've got one from Yorkshire Gold. It is a Parallel Paradise. Quite a nice summery looking can on that one. It is 4% ABV, so it's another quite weak one. So there you go, these are 8 beers, 2 snacks, 24 quid a month. Is it worth it? Well, time will tell, won't it really? But for me, I think there should be a few more stronger beers in there, and the fact that they're all small cans is a bit disappointing as well. You know, 3 quid for a little can, I don't know. I mean, I don't really have the money to sort of justify that. But, you know, give the free trial a go. That's what it's for. That's what it's there for, isn't it? If the beers are amazing, then maybe it is worth it. But, yeah, let me know if you've tried them, guys, and whether you think I'll be in for a treat or not. And as I say, these reviews will be coming up over the next week or two. And I'll let you know what I think of them all. And hopefully there's a few crackers in there. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And don't forget to look out for these. And until next time, bye-bye, darlings.